Are you looking for a body camera that delivers crystal clear 4K video quality, powerful night vision, and long battery life? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best 4K body cameras featuring GPS, waterproof design, and professional-grade performance. Watch till the end and find out which one is perfect for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the BOBLOV M7 Pro 4K body camera, designed for law enforcement, security, and personal recording. Featuring a 180-degree rotatable lens, this mini camera captures Ultra HD 4K video and 40 megapixels of photos, even in complete darkness with its infrared night vision. With a 4,000 mAh battery, it records up to 15 hours of video, and GPS tracking logs your routes. Versatile and wearable, it can be clipped to your chest, belt, or mounted in a car. Fast charging, multiple accessories, and a 2-year warranty make it reliable and convenient for everyday use. Item number 4. Introducing the Retevis RT79 4K body camera, a mini, high-performance camera designed for security, law enforcement, and personal recording. It features 4K video and 45 megapixels photos with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring every detail is captured clearly. The camera includes built-in 128GB memory, GPS tracking, and automatic night vision. With a 2400 mAh battery, it supports up to 7 hours of continuous recording. Additional features include loop recording, emergency alarm, shock resistance, and wireless file transfer via mobile hotspot, making it a versatile and reliable device for everyday professional use. Item number 3. Introducing the BOBLOV B4K4 4K body-worn camera, designed for law enforcement, security, and personal recording. It captures Ultra HD 4K video and 40 megapixels photos, ensuring high-quality visuals anytime. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery supports up to 15 hours of continuous recording. Equipped with GPS tracking and dash camera mode, it logs your routes and records drive trips. 4 IR lights enable clear night vision, while the IP67 waterproof and anti-drop design ensures durability. With 128GB memory and a 2-year warranty, the B4K4 is reliable for professional and everyday use. Item number 2. Introducing the WU Ultra HD 4K mini camera, a versatile and portable body cam designed for law enforcement, sports, driving, and personal recording. This mini camera features Ultra HD 4K video, a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and a 180 degrees rotating camera for flexible shooting. It supports 8GB to 256GB TF cards and allows simultaneous recording and charging with circular recording. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot enables easy file transfer within 10 meters. The durable plastic shell protects against drops, making this compact camcorder reliable and convenient for everyday use. Item number 1. Introducing the Jito JT88 Mini 4K Action Camera, a compact and lightweight camera weighing just 36 grams, perfect for hands-free recording on the go. It features 4K to 1080p high-definition video, a 360 rotating clip, and 7 mounting accessories to attach to your body, bike, helmet, or gear. The camera is waterproof up to 40 meters with the included case and has an 800 mAh battery, supporting up to 150 minutes of continuous recording. Ideal for vlogging, outdoor adventures, and action sports, this tiny camera delivers high-quality footage anytime, anywhere. Which of these 4K body cameras is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.